If you're looking for a way to capture your kids' adventures while having a blast, you're in the right place. Here are the 5 best RC monster truck cars with cameras, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, THRIING Amphibious Monster Truck. The THRIING 116 waterproof monster truck caught my eye immediately with its unique amphibious design and affordable price of $52.93. If you want a truck that can conquer both land and water, this is worth a serious look. This truck is built for adventure with its waterproof capability, meaning your kids can race it in the pool, at the beach, or just on grassy fields without worrying about damage. It features powerful electric motors that provide explosive speed and a range of 160 feet, perfect for exciting races with friends. Plus, with the ability to race up to 6 trucks simultaneously, it's perfect for family gatherings or playdates. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows multiple kids to play together without interference, fostering teamwork and competition at the same time. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker since the truck itself can handle water adventures, just keep the remote dry. It's easy to overlook this minor flaw when your kids are busy having fun. This is perfect for you if your kids love outdoor play and you want something that can handle various terrains. Skip this one if you're looking for a highly detailed model for a collector, but honestly, for playtime, you can't go wrong here. Product number 2, Amphibious all-terrain RC car. Next up is the Amphibious 18-scale all-terrain RC car priced at $94.25. This one stood out due to its high-speed capabilities and robust design. If your kids are thrill seekers, this is worth a serious look. The Amphibious truck reaches speeds up to 36 kph, thanks to its powerful brushed RC 380 motor. Plus, with a 280-foot control range and splash-proof electronics, it can handle various terrains without a hitch. Imagine watching your kids zoom across grass, gravel, and concrete, all while you capture their excitement through the camera. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The durability and speed make it great for outdoor adventures, ensuring they're active and engaged. On the downside, some users found the setup instructions a bit confusing. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and the fun is well worth the initial hassle. So don't let that scare you off. This is perfect for you if you're looking for thrilling speed and durability for outdoor fun. Skip this one if your kids are new to RC cars and might be overwhelmed by the speed, but for seasoned racers, it's a fantastic choice. Product number 3, Gyakora 112 off-road truck. Coming in at $83.92, the Gyakora 112 off-road truck grabbed my attention with its sturdy build and impressive performance. If you're seeking a durable option that can take a beating, this is worth a serious look. With an ABS chassis and aluminum alloy body, this truck is designed to endure rough play. The non-slip silicone tires grip surfaces effectively, so your kids can race through grass, dirt, and even rocky paths without worry. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Kids want a toy that can keep up with their wild imaginations, and this truck meets that challenge head-on. However, a few customers mentioned the battery life could be better. But honestly, with 2 rechargeable batteries providing about 50-70 minutes of playtime, that's plenty for a day of racing and fun. It's a minor flaw in what is otherwise a solid choice. This is perfect for you if your child enjoys off-road adventures and needs something tough. Skip this if you're looking for a truck that's more about speed than durability, but it's a great all-around choice. Product number 4, Toto Amphibious Monster Truck. Next up is the Toto Amphibious Monster Truck, priced at $51.64. This truck intrigued me with its ability to race on both land and water seamlessly. If you want a toy that offers variety and fun, this is worth a serious look. This RC truck is designed for all terrains, grass, beach, and even shallow water. Its oversized rubber tires provide excellent grip and shock absorption, so your kids can perform stunts and race without worrying about rolling over. With 2 rechargeable batteries, it boasts up to 100 minutes of total playtime, which means more time for your kids to engage in outdoor activities. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The longer playtime means less downtime and more fun, especially for birthday parties or family gatherings. However, some parents noted that the assembly could be a bit tricky. Here's the thing, it might take a bit of patience, but the end result is a durable truck that offers tons of fun, making it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if your kids love versatility in their toys. Skip this one if they prefer cars that are strictly for land use, but otherwise it's a great pick for outdoor fun. Product number 5, Double E Ford Raptor F-150. Finally, we have the Double E Ford Raptor F-150 priced at $51.51. I was drawn to this one due to its realistic design and solid performance. If you're looking for a truck that combines style and functionality, this is worth a serious look. This Ford WD-RC car is officially licensed by Ford and has powerful dual motors. The non-slip tires are designed for all terrains, ensuring your child can race on grass, sand, and even rocky paths without issue. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's not just a toy, it's an experience that allows your child to enjoy realistic off-road racing, which is super exciting. One drawback is that some users found the driving time shorter than expected, averaging about 20 minutes. But honestly, for the price, you're still getting a well-built truck packed with fun features that can easily make those 20 minutes worthwhile. This is perfect for you if your child admires realistic vehicles and wants something that performs well. Skip this if you're looking for something that runs for hours straight, but for short bursts of fun, it's fantastic. So let's quickly recap. We had the THRIING Amphibious monster truck for versatile play, the Amphibious for speed, the Gyakora for durability, the Toto for amphibious fun, and the Double E for realistic design. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Amphibious because it offers the thrilling speed kids love while still being durable enough for outdoor adventures. Avoid the Gyakora if you want something with better battery life. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.